In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. This process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to connect with your team or colleagues efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Outlook. You can do this using either the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Outlook is a powerful tool for managing emails, calendars, and scheduling meetings, so having it easily accessible is crucial. Now that Outlook is open, look for and click on Meet Now. This option is usually quite visible and will get you started on the path to setting up your meeting. Once you've done that, turn your attention to the toolbar. There you'll find an option labeled Teams Meeting. Clicking on Teams Meeting automatically adds a Microsoft Teams link to your meeting invitation. This is a handy feature that ensures your attendees will have easy access to the virtual meeting room. Once the link is in place, it's time to click on Schedule a Meeting. This action takes you to a new window where you can add all the important details for your meeting. Start with the meeting title. Make sure it's clear and descriptive so that all the participants understand the purpose of the meeting right away. Next, you'll enter the emails of the attendees. You want to make sure you include everyone who needs to be part of the conversation. Adding their emails will ensure they receive the meeting invitation directly in their inbox. Now, specify the date and time of the meeting. Be mindful of different time zones if your attendees are from various locations. Outlook usually provides a time zone feature to help you avoid any confusion. After double-checking all the details, you're ready for the final step. Click Save. This action does more than just store your meeting information. It also sends out the invitations to your attendees, complete with the Teams link they'll need to join the meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. This streamlined process ensures that all your important meetings are initiated smoothly, keeping your scheduling organized and efficient. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these steps will make your scheduling process much more effective. So go ahead, give it a try, and start connecting with your team like never before. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!